What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, you're welcome. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how I make this pixie hair, how I ventilated the side parts frontal using my old pixie fringe skull cap. So if you're interested to know more how I do this, stay tuned and let's get started. So this is the old looking pixie fringe skull cap, and I'm also using some extra hairs. I have these of different colors, different lengths. I'm going to be using the one with the same color and maybe high in length to achieve this. I'm also using this cap and my lace net. After you have placed the skull cap on the manique head, place the lace net on the skull cap and pin it down. But in absence of pin, I'm going to be using it like that. Now use your needle and thread to sew sideways. The sideways we are going to be sewing is the place that is going to give us the side parting. So use needle and thread to sew it down. For the second sewing, I think I'm going to be sewing 1 inch apart from the first sewing. You can also decide to sew maybe 2 inches or 1.5 inches from the first sewing. Now these are some tricks I do at the back of the lace net. I'm still sewing it, so pay attention and see what I'm doing. I'm going to be sewing it till the end of the lace net.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right.
After sewing, I'm going to be marking out the place I'll be ventilating. So maybe you'll not be seeing this. I'm using a red pen to mark out where I'm going to be ventilating. In as much as maybe I will not be ventilating close to the place or all the place I've marked, but just to give me guide.
I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I
I'm also going to be sewing the front of the lace net together with the skull cap. I'm doing this so that the front part that is left out is where I'm ventilating. So this is it. Now is to cut out some excess lace, cut them out, the one that is not useful. This is how the whole process looks like, the whole sewing. Now I'm going to be placing it on my manique head, then start ventilating. If you are new to my ventilating videos, maybe you subscribe to my channel to see more videos and be part of my family. I'm fixing it properly to make sure that the lines that I sew, the side part is at the side part. So now I'm using my ventilating needle and some hairs, cut out the sewed part, then remove excess hair as usual, then ventilate. Forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed. I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and now our normal ventilation is put the ventilating needle in a single hole, pick out 1 or 2 strands of hair, pull it out and tight. If you pick 1, 2, 3, it's still normal. So pick it out, pull out and tight. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never run. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. In as much as I use black thread to seal my net, the goal of this ventilation is just to cover them all while leaving us with just a single line. And the side sewing that I did on the lace net is for a purpose. So stay tuned, keep watching, and drop a comment on what you think about this whole process. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it, a life worth living. Now that I'm done ventilating the center part, I'm going to be ventilating the frontal part. Then at the side that I did the sewing, I'm going to be doing some tweaks after the ventilation. During the wig making, I'm going to be doing some tweaks. So do hold on and enjoy the video. To move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. So this is what I do at the right side of my wig making. I use a longer length of the weavon, then cut it and use it to ventilate. The other side was a shorter hair, now this side was a long hair.
face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come down with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.
Guys, I'm done ventilating. This is how it came out, this is how it looks like. For some parts that the thread are showing, I'm going to be covering it. Now I'm using the old hair, I'm removing it out then to fix it in the new one.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break.
Okay, at this front part, I'm using a longer hair with my bun to cover the thread and also to make it move forward. So at the start we are doing moves forward. I'm also using the hair cut out small by small, then use bun to put it, then place it at the center of the side. So what we are doing here, we are doing invisible parting. You can also decide to use ventilating needle and thread to do the style. This is how it came out. So this is how it came out. This is how the whole process looks like. If you enjoyed the video, give me your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be part of the family. Also leave a comment on what you think about this style, what you think about this whole look. Thank you for staying to this moment. See you in my next video. Bye.
To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on.